Hello guys, this is Farizan and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm going to show you 2 types of egg sandwiches you should add to your breakfast list. So without wasting much time, let's just jump right into the video. If you are new to this channel, please kindly subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell to be notified whenever I post new videos. I post 2 or more videos every week. Thank you. So starting off, I'll go in with 3 eggs. For this particular sandwich, we're not going to do much, so we just go in with white pepper. If you have black pepper, you can use that one too, and a pinch of salt. I will then whisk it till everything is combined. When the egg is ready to be fried, I'll go in with a tablespoon of butter or margarine. The next thing I'm going to do after the margarine has melted is to fry the eggs. Whilst the eggs are in the process of frying, I'll add 2 slices of bread to it. What I'll now do is dip in the bread and turn to the other side to fry it. When the egg starts to look like it's almost cooked, turn it to the other side to fry the part of the bread that we dipped in the egg. Adding slices of tomatoes to it, I'll now go ahead and add 2 slices of cheddar cheese. Now to the other sandwich, I have 2 eggs here, so I'll go ahead and mash it. After mashing it into chunks, I will add white onions, about a tablespoon of lime juice, and a tablespoon of mayonnaise. After everything has come together, I'll go ahead and add it to my bread. Thank you so much for tuning in with me, and thank you for watching. Till we meet again. Bye.